Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Snapchat login error. If you try to log in Snapchat and showing error due to repeated failed attempts or other unusual activity, if you're facing the error, try to log in your Snapchat account, then I'll show you how can you log in your Snapchat. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to close this page from here, and after that you have to update your Snapchat. Okay guys, and after updating, just simply you have to go through Snapchat again, and just simply you have to put the password or username here and try to log in your Snapchat account again. And if it's still not working for you guys, then you have to update your password. Okay guys, just simply you have to tap on forget your password from here, and here you have to select via phone or via email. If you have given your email address, just simply go through via email, and you have to put your verification code that they have sent to your email. And if you have given phone number, just simply go to your phone and just simply have to put the phone number here. So after putting the phone number guys, just simply tap on continue. Now from here guys, just simply you have to tap on set via text and wait some second from here. And after that guys, they will send you to a verification code, and here you have to put the verification code, and then you have to update your password and try to enter the password that you have updated recently. And after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.